In front of me is a Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is right over here, but you might find it on the second page. Once you see the toggle, hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And here you can customize how the mode will function once enabled, and additionally you also have access to schedule in here. So you can set it up so it automatically turns on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. Now if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and that's all you would need to do. Now for everyone else who wants to just use this mode on a random occasions, so obviously schedule wouldn't really help. Once you set it all up in here, you can then close this and you don't actually have to ever come back here. Now before I do so, I am also going to mention one setting which might be helpful to some people, which is the duration for quick settings. When you click on it, it gives you three options until you turn it off, which is the default option for every Do Not Disturb mode, meaning that when you tap on a toggle, it will be enabled indefinitely till you turn it off yourself. But we also have a timer option below that, which allows you to specify the amount of hours you want it to run for. And whenever you tap on a toggle, it will enable itself for the specified right now amount of hours. And the third option will bring you the first two options every time you tap on a toggle, allowing you to, for instance, modify the time that it will be running for. I'm going to keep on the middle option. And close this, and let's find the toggle, and this time around we're just going to press on it. And as you can see, once it's enabled, it also gives me the timer, so it's going to turn itself off at 6:16 p.m. So I don't have to actually remember about it. But if I did remember, I can obviously turn it off before that time, assuming I'm done needing it, by tapping on a toggle. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.